everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Tanishka Deshmukh and today we are going to be talking about the structure of the animal cell because we have covered plant cells before. So I will link that video in the description and I'll also link this image in the description as it has been really helpful. So firstly, you might be asking, what are animal cells? Animal cells are a type of eukaryotic cells, which means they have a defined nucleus. But the nucleus isn't the only thing that is found in the cell. There are many different types of organelles, which we'll be talking about today. Starting with the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a living membrane that is made of lipids or fats and proteins. The cell membrane has a special feature called selective permeability. Do you know what this means? Selective permeability is a feature that allows the cell to allow only certain elements to come inside it and do not allow the rest to enter. Next, we have the chromatin fiber. The chromatin fiber contains all the genetic materials such as the DNA or deoxyribose nucleic acid and genes. This genetic material defines who we are. For example, what color of eyes or hair we have. Next, we have the nucleus and nucleolus. The nucleolus is part of the nucleus, and you can think of the nucleus as the central processing unit or CPU of the cell. It's the main component. After that, let's talk about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is sort of different from the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and one defining feature is that the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes attached to it, and it is found near the smooth membrane. Now, let's talk about the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is the structure found in the cell that has a single membrane and is often used for storing excess food produced by the cell. Next, we have the cytoplasm, which is one of the two parts of the protoplasm. The protoplasm consists of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Now, the cytoplasm is this clear jelly-like liquid that's found in the cell that houses all the organelles. Next, let's talk about the lysosome. They might be small, but they are equally important. Now, lysosomes are like a biological scavenger for the cell, and they might sometimes damage themselves when they are in danger. They're basically like the security guards of the cell and do not allow any pathogens to enter inside. Next, let's talk about vacuoles. Vacuoles are storehouses for excess food produced by the cell, just like the Golgi apparatus. Next, let's talk about the ribosomes. Ribosomes help in protein synthesis or producing protein and amino acids, which are important for the cell. Now, comment down below why protein is important for the cell. The person who gets it right will get a shout out in the next video. Now, let's come to smooth endoplasmic reticulum's long lost brother, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached to it and is found near the cytoplasm. Lastly, but not the least, let's talk about the mitochondria. You might have heard that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. But do you know why? The mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell because it helps in aerobic respiration. Now, aerobic respiration is a process in which energy or adenosine triphosphate is produced. And we all know we need energy to work, to play, to study, and to even watch this video. So if you learned something new today and enjoyed, please do subscribe and see you next time.